I'm Brian Pickowitz with LEA Professional here at ISE 2020, and I'd like to show you our new Connect Series products. Up at the top of the rack we have two new amplifiers, the 1504 and the 3004. The bottom one, the 1504, is 1500 watts into 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 70 volt, and 100 volt. And the top amplifier is a 3000 watt by 4 channel at 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 70 volt, and 100 volt. So what makes us unique is we are an IoT device, meaning that we can connect our amplifier over to the internet. So once you've installed our amplifiers, you can go onto leaprofessional.cloud and remotely control and monitor amplifiers from anywhere in the world. So very unique feature from us. So we also have 3 ways to connect. You can connect the amplifier via Cat5 connection. You can connect all the amplifiers to your local Wi-Fi network. Or you can hit a button and the amplifier turns into a Wi-Fi access point, giving you quick and easy ways to monitor and control the amplifiers. So we are an install amplifier, so all amplifier channels do 70 volt, 100 volt, and low impedance direct. And we offer a switch mode universal power supply that'll work on any AC voltage. Thank you for joining us, and if you want more information, please visit us at www.leaprofessional.com.